super late last minute thing, but Trevor Shear, one of my good friends, just called me, said there's a meet in Richmond, so I'm gonna hit it up and see what happens. I also think that I want to hit up the parking garage tonight, and I just want to mess around and shoot like a little cinematic thing, because I haven't done that in a while, and I miss really editing and trying to do that kind of stuff. So let's go check out this meet, and then I also want to hit up the garage tonight and shoot just something really small. Let's do it. Austin Withrow and Trevor are about to do a dig.
Really?
Is it 5.7 or 6.0?
It's 6.0.
Okay.
Yeah, Trevor got that one. Remember this car?
Yeah. This
was at Jackson's. This is his grandfather's car.
God dang.
Magnuson on it.
Coyote?
Yeah, this is Coyote, that TR6060, or Winthrow's. Austin Winthrow's the one that was racing Trevor. That's his car. This is Noah's place, I'm pretty sure. I don't know. Just Trevor, just fucking Holly. Yeah, it's freaking Holly high rise too. Really enjoy beer, so. Heat up the bottle real quick.
Yeah, man.
All right, pop the trunk. You still got footprints on your hood.
Bro, make sure you don't jump. There you go. Good.
Yeah, Dylan.
There you go. Thanks for backing my ass. Alright, so I got $10. I'm trying to get you to walk away with $10.
Alright.
So with this being said, if it's dead on the light, make sure you don't jump. Make sure you have boost built as much as you can, and fucking watch for the light. Like, be dead on with the light. You know what to fucking do.
You know what to fucking do.
So a car and the hit, right? Car and the light. Car and the hit.
Fine.
So here we have a Veloster and a Honda Accord. So we raced them a few minutes ago. For heads up, there was no car link for $5. With that being said, the Veloster got about a car out on him. On this race, we're giving him a car to try to make up the length at the end of the 8th mile. Are you sure that's a car?
A little bit up, a little bit up, a little bit up.
Pull up. Up. Hang on. That's not a car. I didn't say it was. No, you needed to. Back it up. Hang on. Stop. No, come up a little.
Oh.
Whoa.
Oh.
No boost. You want to run it back and forth?
3 cars.
I'll run episode of Pinks here, guys.
Austin got it.
You jumped! He went home!
Gang, baby!
It's orange fly! It's bright orange, you can't miss it! Oh! Watch the cone! Watch the cone! Don't hit the cone! That's it, up there, Frank.
Okay, it is 12:30. I didn't expect to be out this late, especially on a Tuesday night. I wanted to go to the parking garage and try out a few different cinematic things, but that'll have to be another night. Maybe Friday's upload or sometime next week. But tonight was fun. Trevor and Austin Winthrow, they're fun to hang out with. But they were both saying it's so fun to race slow cars because it's just not as serious. I don't know. It was a fun night. All right, I'll see you Friday.